Welcome to your institution's official online bookstore. In this video, we'll guide you through accessing your digital course materials, including eBooks, access codes, and courseware from your digital bookshelf. Digital content can be delivered and accessed in different ways, depending on the publisher. This video will show you how to log in, locate your materials, and access your content. Let's get started. Before exploring specific instructions on how to access your digital materials, it's important to understand the difference between eBooks and courseware. eBooks are standalone digital textbooks that you can access through platforms like VitalSource. Courseware includes interactive materials like quizzes, videos, or assignments and often requires access through the publisher's platform or your school's LMS. Access codes can be for either type of material, so be sure to check with your instructor if you're unsure how to access your content. To access your purchased materials, start by visiting your institution's online bookstore. Here, we're using Oakland University's official bookstore page as an example. In the top right corner of the page, select the Login/Signup link. This will take you to the sign-in page where you can either log in using your school account or the account used to purchase your textbooks. Be sure to sign in with the same email and password used for your purchase. Once you enter your credentials, select Sign In to continue. This will take you to your My Account dashboard where you'll see your current orders. Any order containing digital content will provide details in the status column on where the digital content can be accessed. If your order is still pending status, check back later. Select the Digital Bookshelf tab in the top main navigation to access your digital content. Once selected, your digital bookshelf will open. Here, you'll find two sections, active materials and expired materials. Your currently accessible materials will be listed under active materials. Let's start with an ebook example. Evidence-Based Practice in Nursing and Healthcare, a guide to best practice. Select Click to Reveal next to the material. A modal will appear stating you're almost there and reminding you that this item is non-refundable once access information is revealed. Select Acknowledge and Accept, then choose Reveal My Access Info. A drawer will appear on the right side of your screen, displaying your order details. You can also use the support dropdown to contact our help desk if needed. To access your ebook, select Access. This will open a new window where you may be directed to VitalSource, which is an online delivery platform for digital textbooks. On the VitalSource dashboard, you'll see a table of contents on the left to help you navigate through chapters and sections. Your ebook will be displayed in the center where you can scroll and read as needed. Some materials require an access code before you can use them. Let's go through an example. Give Me Liberty, 7th edition. Select Click to Reveal next to the material. A modal will appear again, reminding you of the non-refundable access terms. Select Acknowledge and Accept, then choose Reveal My Access Info. A drawer will appear on the right with your order details and support options. Select Access to open a new window in VitalSource. Please follow the platform's and your instructor's steps to redeem your access code correctly. This time, a pop-up will appear in the upper right corner stating Includes Access Code. Follow the instructions to access your materials. Select the instructions hyperlink. A modal will appear with step-by-step guidance. The first step will display your VBID number to confirm the correct material. Next, select Reveal Access Code. Your code will appear on screen. Select Copy to add the access code to your clipboard. Finally, choose Go to Website to open the publisher's platform, or follow the instructions provided by your instructor. Some digital materials are subscriptions that require third-party access. Let's go through an example with Cengage. Select Click to Reveal next to the material. Once again, confirm the non-refundable terms and select Reveal My Access Info. A drawer will open on the right, displaying order details and support options. Below the title, you'll see your access code and copy button. Select Copy to add it to your clipboard, then save this code. You'll need it to register on the Cengage platform. Once you're ready, select Access to open a new window. This will take you to Cengage's Sign In or Account Creation page, where you'll redeem your access code. If you have questions about using Cengage, their customer support team is available to assist you. If you experience issues redeeming an access code or navigating a publisher's platform, don't worry. Most publishers, including Cengage, McGraw-Hill, and Pearson, offer detailed instructions and customer support. Most importantly, your instructor is the best resource for guidance on accessing materials. Every course may use a different platform, and your instructor will provide the correct links and instructions for your materials. Accessing your digital materials is easy with your online bookstore. For additional support, visit the help section on your online bookstore where you can contact customer service. Good luck this semester, and thanks for choosing your online bookstore.